In 2024, earning free Robux, Roblox's virtual currency, presents a challenge due to strict platform policies and rampant scams. Yet, legitimate avenues exist. The Roblox affiliate program allows users to earn Robux by promoting the platform. When new users register through your referral link and make purchases, you receive a percentage of the Robux they spend. Creativity can also be lucrative. By designing and selling virtual items like clothing or game passes, you can earn Robux, though a Roblox Premium membership is required. Developing games offers another path. Successful games can attract players, earning Robux through in-game purchases and game passes. Occasionally, Roblox hosts events with Robux rewards, so staying informed on official announcements is beneficial. Additionally, some content creators and communities host legitimate giveaways and contests. Microsoft Rewards in certain regions allows users to earn points redeemable for Roblox gift cards. Always avoid scams and adhere to Roblox's terms to protect your account. With patience and creativity, you can enjoy Roblox while gradually increasing your Robux balance.